Alright guys, slight little YouTube video. It's 2019 as we prepare the mods. Plastidip and some windshield wipers. I'm gonna install some new ones, it's really bad, so Ramex. Ignore all the people behind me. Yeah, you already know, I love Plastidip. Taillights and emblems. Then some windshield wipers. Let's get it. So first, starting off with the taillights. It is getting dark, so I might not do the emblems until another day, but I made sure I wrapped this turn up nice. I don't want to get any black on this nice blue, so that's where we start first with Plastidip. This is just temporary. We'll get vinyl wrap for this, so it's better and cleaner, and so I don't get pulled over, hopefully. But yeah, this is taillights first. Damn. Might have went too black, but that thing looks sick. Gonna show up better if you when it's off. Don't really care if it's too black. The only real problem is police. Don't think I'll be able to see my taillights no more. Just a slight little cheap fun mods you can do. $5 can of Plastidip. Next is the emblems. Make this thing nice. I can even do the rims. You can do the rims black or white. I feel like white would look best, but do the rims black or get them professionally done until I switch them out. Those rims are coming soon though. My set will give y'all a hint. Some TE37 Volk Racing wheels I'm thinking about for these. And some more stickers. You already know. JDM Life. Hey, that's my man's KD. My boy KD just pulled by. I'm gonna cut it here and show the rest in the morning. Final product. I will show a better video during the day, but it came out really clean. You see no mess ups on it, no spots, no bubbles, nothing. That's what happens when you layer it clean. So we'll show it better in the morning. Gonna test out the brake lights though to see if I can see it right now. And here we go. Gonna test the brake lights. See the tail lights look clean. Let me get a final view, but no bubbles, no marks. This joint is vicious. So right now, doctored up the emblems, made sure it's not getting on my paint, and just for fun, I'm gonna do the door handles. So before anybody gets at me, it's just Plastidip. I'm a young racer. Say no, but I just want to see how it looks. Doing the front emblem and then the other side. So I feel like the black and blue would look really nice. I'm thinking about getting the rims done in black or just doing it myself with Plastidip, yes. Just until I go to the shop and get it professionally done so it comes out cleaner. But just for the stock wheels, I will be switching them out, as I said, in a little while. So it's not permanent. None of this is permanent, temporary. Even the tail light's gonna take them off and get it professionally done. So before y'all go ahead and call me whatever you want, just know I'm doing your mom. Sorry, no, let me stop, but let's get it started. Just about to do a second coat right now, maybe do 3 just to keep it clean, so when I peel it off, it peels off better also. So second coat, here we go. The emblem, it's not going to be as crispy as you want, but it is clean. The door handles, pretty clean. Just gotta be careful when you're pulling it. You see tiny little spots up there, but from the side you can't tell. Emblem back here, I accidentally pulled the Z off, so I'm gonna do that over again real quick. It's the back emblem. It's never gonna come out as clean unless you know how to properly do it. See, tad little spot, and then the other side. So it actually really came out clean, so I'm gonna do the emblem in the back again real quick. Hopefully this time I don't pull the Z off, and then that's it. It's getting dark now, so I did it better now, and I rubbed out the middle. I'm gonna rub off the rest after it fully dries, but as you can see, it's kind of already outlined the 370Z before I tried to rip it off all at once, and the whole Z came off. So that's done. Back here is done, other than, you know, the slight little bits on the side. Tail lights, as y'all can see, that one's covered. So tail lights are finished, clean. Door handles finished, and last, the front emblem. So this is the end for now. The next what I do is Plastidip these stock wheels. As I said before, until I get my TE37s, I'll keep it like that. But so boy almighty, well, signing out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show you guys that it came out clean. That's it. It's lit.